Open Compositor. Enabled Use Nodes. Select Render Layers node. Press X to delete node. Press N. Open Files Explorer. Select Background Cloth Image file and drag in Compositor. Select Pattern Image file and drag in Compositor. Press Shift-Control Left mouse button. Enabled Backdrop. Press B to zoom out backdrop. Press Shift-A add alpha over node. Alpha socket connect to factor socket. Image socket connect to image socket. Click color box and change black transparent color. Press Shift-A add separate color node. Image socket connect to image socket. Press Shift-Control Left mouse button. RGB change to hue saturation value. Press Shift-A add blur node and drop on wire. Gaussian change to fast Gaussian. Set blur both value to 5. Press Shift-A add mix node and drop on wire. Image socket connect to factor socket. Image socket connect to image socket. Image socket connect to image socket first. Mix node mix change to screen. Press Shift-A add convert color space node and drop on wire. 2 value linear change to sRGB. Press Alt-V to zoom in backdrop. Color management filmic change to standard. Image socket connect to image socket. Product files. Link in the description for free. All source files.